Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. And for today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Great Eastern Hotel, Quezon City. And mamaya po is gaganapin ng MRJ year-end party. And I am one of the hosts later on. So maghahanap tayo ng mga models and mga kids na pwede nating kausapin at interviewin kung ano nga bang meron ngayong araw. Let's go! Hi guys, welcome to my vlog, and this is DJ Alvin from Afternoon Drive, Euro TV Philippines Entertainment. And for today's video, makakasama natin ngayon sa mga ambassadors ng MRJ Collections. Thank you so much, Mami Princess, sa pag-allow to interview your models at this moment. And for today's video, we are here at Great Eastern Hotel sa Quezon City, ang pinakasikat na hotel dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan, from now on, pakilala ka muna sa ating mga viewers.
Yes.
Go.
Hello everyone. My name is Jan Tiglique and I am honored to be with Sir DJ Alvin here. And if you don't know, I'm actually one of the hosts for this event today at the Grand Eastern Hotel at Aberdeen. And yeah, it is my pleasure to be here with DJ Alvin.
Yes. And you are Jayan, tama?
Apo,
Jayan or Jayan?
Jayan.
Jayan. So, kasi narinig ko pangalan mo, sounds like Giant or yun lang. Pero Jayan yung pinaka-song na talaga. So, kwentuhan mo naman ako sa buhay mo.
Well, nothing special.
Nothing special naman.
Ano lang po kasi siya, parang like, it's okay naman po. Kasi before, actually, gusto ko tumigil muna sa pagmamodel because, you know, I wanted to focus on my studies naman po.
Yes.
And I was like, ma, tigil muna ako, next year na lang ulit. Kasi, you know, baka kasi maano ako sa studies ko. And then, suddenly, si Ma'am Princess, she gave me the opportunity. She's like, tita, let's not make her stop really yet. Let's give her one more chance to experience before the New Year's, di ba po? So, yun, sinali niyo po ako sa Okada and naka-ramp po ako for the first time after a long time. And let's say that, hindi naman po ako na, parang like, wow, nabigla ako. Like, ganito po pala ulit yung feeling na nasa stage ka ulit, pinipicturean ka ulit. And I was like, oh my gosh, like the feeling does not go away. And I was like, so thankful for Mom Princess for the opportunity that she gave me.
So, how many years did you stop for modeling?
I started last year and I stopped for around like 3 months or so because, you know, I was really occupied in my studies. And yeah, it was really just Mom Princess that gave me the opportunity to feel it again before 2025. And yeah.
So, kumusta naman yung yung pagiging model mo? Paano mo pinagsasabay yung pag-aaral at pag-model mo?
Well, for me, I kinda, you know, my school supports me too, you know, St. Gabriel Angel Academy, shout out to them too.
Yeah.
They give me the opportunity to know, like, oh, si Jayan, ano yan, model yan. Parang siya yung nag-aano sa school namin. Kaya, pagka may event siya, pinapayagan namin siya. Kasi, simple, lumalaki yung popularity niya sa, and I'm like, thank you, like, for, you know, not, thank you for like allowing me
Mm.
for these chances to happen, because if they didn't allow me to go on to these events, then maybe I won't be right here. I won't be sitting here talking to you right now if they didn't allow me.
Yeah,
So
oo.
yeah, it's like I'm really thankful for them. And like, kung baga may activities po ako,
Mm.
I do them right away when I get home. After my events, like at long tiring day. It's like 12 a.m. and I'm
Mm.
like, I really need to get this done because the next day I have to go to school. So
Mm.
like I really just, try to do the best while being good at modeling at the same time.
Actually, nagulat nga ako nung time na nag-message sa'kin si Mommy Princess. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako expect na ako yung mag-host on this day. So, ang sabi niya sa akin is, kung bakante ako ng December 22, sabi ko, okay naman. Uh, I'm planning for going back to my province, which is in Mindoro. So, dapat nung 26, paalis na ako. So, na-move ng 29, yung event ng MRJ. And nagulat ako na ikaw yung ipinart niya sa akin. So, I'm na-expect na ikaw yung makakasama ko. Pero, kaya naman natin to later, di ba?
Yes po.
Oo. Nag-host ka ba? Nag-host ka rin ba sa iba't ibang events maliban sa this is first time or
This is my first time.
alright. So,
Kasi before po, sa school, ako yung minsan pinapasalita ng mga ibang teachers kasi magaling daw po yung paglalabas
Deliver,
ko
oo.
deliver ng words. And maganda din po yung pag-i-English ko pag Tagalog. So, it's more on like, nasasanay na rin po ako because growing up actually, yung dream ko is maging news anchor actually. Yun yung gusto kong maging paglaki minsan. Like if modeling doesn't work out, then I'll try being a news anchor, a newscaster, or like a sayer for the news because I like talking, It's one of my habits. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, they always say like, oh, Jayanya, she's really good at talking, Like you can learn a lot from her just by her saying a few words.
yeah.
And like, I like it a lot.
If I don't mind, how old are you na, Jay?
I'm 13.
13? Oh, bata ka pa lang
Opo,
ha.
I
Pero,
just turned 13.
yes. Pero yung the way you talk to me right now, napapansin ko, you have a potential
Yes.
to become a news anchor. Kasi andun yung potential mo na unang kita ko pa lang sa'yo and unang salita mo pa lamang, namiss ako doon. And sana hindi ako ma-awkward later on. Actually, hindi naman talaga ako mahilig mag-i-English sa mga hosting ko. Nag-i-English ako pero tama lang, yung sakto lang. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako sanay sa mga ganung bagay. Pero kasi ako, pag ako nag-host talaga, natural lang. So, wala namang problema if ever mag-English ka or what. At least, ang importante doon, ang pinaka, natin is kung paano natin mapasaya yung mga tao.
Yes,
And kung paano sila mag-enjoy doon sa performance natin. Yeah. So,
I find that fascinating, that when you grow up from a kid, your dream is to maging news anchor, di ba? Kasi at the same time, binibigyan mo ng information yung mga tao and then at the same time, you're giving them happiness at the same time. And I find that exquisite actually. I like that. The thought of giving happiness to people when you're doing something you love,
Oh.
it's really great for me to hear.
and this is my first time for hosting outside. Kasi yung mga co-host ko sa Afternoon Drive is mga minor din. Like, 9 years old and 13 years old. Yeah, si pinaka bata naming host, si Darlene, which is 8 years old, I think, if I don't mind. Sa TV yon. Pero, ito naman, first time ko magkaroon ng co-host na 13 years old. Kasi karamihan sa mga co-host ko, mga adults na. So, sana makayanan ko. Oo, pero kaya naman natin yan. Kasi sanay naman tayo sa mga ganyang bagay. Pero, may mga times din ba na kinakabahan ka sa mga tao? Like for example, kasi hindi naman mawala sa atin yung pag-akit natin ng stage yung kaba. Andun pa rin ba yung kaba na yun para
Yes,
sa?
actually. Like, pagka nag-rarampa na po ako, like, there's one time na nandun kami sa Batangas, kila Ma'am Princess po. Hindi ko na-expect na ako yung unang lalabas ng model. Kasi at first, akala ko kasi lagi is yung maliliit first and ako yung nasa may bandang gitna. Tapos bigla lang sabi ni Ma'am Princess, oh, Jayan, ikaw na yung una. So, oh my gosh, like, bago siya, yung stage, nandun ako sa may stairs. Nung tinawag nila yung name ko, tumaas ako, sabi ko, nanginginig yung paa ko. Like, actually, buti ka na ako natisod. And I was like, oh, kaya mo to. So, it's always that, pagkalakad agad sa stage, nawawala na agad yung kabahan ko because nasabihin ko na, nandito na ako, bawal na akong tumakbo, bawal na akong magtago kasi nandito na ako eh. So, I just need to overcome it. So, I just need to go along with the flow. And that's how it happens too when I'm talking to, like, in front of, like, the school, when I'm, like, saying the, like words. I'm like, oh, I can't go away now because I'm already here. So, kailangan ko nang itapusin. So, it goes away naturally when you get used to it, you know? So, hindi naman po nawawala yung nervous. Talagang,
Yes.
nandun lang po siya talaga.
Ako kasi kahit sanay na ako sa maraming tao, pag sa backstage, kinakabahan talaga ako na, kahit sabihin sa akin ng mga tao sa likod, kaya mo yan, sanay ka na din naman. Kahit sabihin nila sa akin ng gano'n, andun pa rin yung kaba eh. Pero, pag nasa stage ka na, in a 30 seconds to 1 minute, unti-unti siya nawawala kasi nare-relax na yung sarili mo.
Opo,
Parang wala lang.
nasasayahan ka na. Wala lang.
'Di ba? Parang gano'n lang. Pero sabi ang turo sa akin, pag once na kinabahan ka, tumingin ka lang sa malayo para hindi mo makita yung mga tao sa paligid mo.
Opo.
It's not like ants na lang ang tingin natin sa mga tao ng gano'n. Alright, so may mga kasabihan ka ba sa buhay mo?
Wala po.
Like motto, ganyan?
No. Kasi for me, ang kasabihin ko lang sa buhay ko is kung kaya mo, kaya mo. Kung hindi mo kaya, hindi mo kaya. Kasi minsan kasi ako yung person na, hindi ko kaya gawin, hindi ko na lang gagawin. Hindi ko siya pipilitin.
Alright,
Kasi ako yung type na, kung hindi ko like pag namumukhaan ko pa lang na hindi ko kaya, hindi ko pipilitin yung sarili ko. Kasi ang alam ko, mas lalo akong mahihirapan pag pinilit ko yung sarili ko.
Kasi yung ibang tao, nanghihina agad ang loob nila sa mga ganung bagay. Anyway, pag-usapan naman natin during Christmas. Kumusta naman yung Christmas sa bahay niyo?
Okay lang po. Hindi naman po kami umalis ng bahay pag tuwing Christmas.
Oo.
So, mostly family bonding din po kami. Pero it's okay lang.
Di ba pag Christmas more on mall goer, ganyan, di ba? Watching movies, right? Sa bahay niyo lang kayo nag-stay that time.
Opo, sa bahay lang po kami nag-stay.
Tsaka umuulan dun eh, di ba? Alright. So, eto naman, ano naman yung gusto mong sabihin sa mga followers mo and sa mga supporters mo na nakasubaybay sa iyo araw-araw?
Well, first, gusto ko lang sabihin na thank you so much na sinusuportahan niyo ko na kahit maybe in the future hindi ako magiging model, thank you pa rin sa pagsusupport sa akin na thank you na sa chances na binigay niyo sa akin to my school, to my family, to my friends. I'm happy that you guys gave me this opportunity po. Na even if it doesn't turn out how you expected na kung paano ko in-expect in the future, at least you supported me and thank you so much for that.
How about your parents and your loved ones, families, relatives? Ano naman yung mensahe mo para sa kanila?
Well, thank you naman din po sa inyo na binigyan niyo ako ng mahal na dineserve ko and that you gave me the support that I truly needed. You know, yung times na sabihin ko na, oh my God, hindi ko na to kinaya. Like, thank you for like saying that I can do it, that I can still fight, you know. Thank you for that. And I really appreciated it. Thank you.
Alright, so do you have any social media account to promote para alam ng mga followers mo?
Yes. Actually, the only social media account that I have that goes by my name Jayan is my Facebook, which is Timbliki Jayan, because all of my other platforms are by Ann. So Instagram is I am that Ann. My TikTok is also I am that Ann. Threads, same thing. And yeah, if you wanna go by on my Facebook, check nyo na lang po yung friends list ni Sir DJ. Friends po kaming dalawa.
Actually, yung nag-add ka sa akin, may nag-note yung add friend. Hindi ko mabasa yung pangalan. And then, bago ko in-accept, nag-stalk muna ako. Ay, eto pala yung yung JN na magiging co-host
like, nung nakita ko po yung na pinost po ni Ma'am Princess na tayong dalawa po mag-host, in-expect ko po actually na si Mami ko po, na friend ko na po kayo. Kasi kilala po kayo ni Mami eh. So, in-expect ko na mutuals one yung Mami ko po. So, gulat ako, sabi ko, wow, pati si Mami, di naman naka-friend ito. Ako na mauuna. Sabi ko, Mami, ako na mauuna sa'yo.
Oo. Actually, ang dami nakakilala sa akin, pero yung iba, hindi ko masyadong kilala, pero ganun talaga ang life. Nasa showbiz tayo. So, I would like to apologize. I would like to openly apologize sa lahat ng mga hindi ko po na-accept sa mga friend request ko. Kasi first and foremost, hindi ko po kayo masyadong kilala pa. Maybe nagkita na tayo, pero at this time siguro, magkikita-kita pa lang tayo. Oo. Ayan, so maraming thank you, Jayan. And good luck.
Thank you din po, sir.
Good luck sa atin, mamaya. And maraming thank you. Please don't forget to follow Afternoon Drive page and Euro TV Philippines. Thank you so much.